Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an admin user to your Shopify store. So head over to shopify.com and sign into your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken directly to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your store. From the left-hand panel, right here, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside Settings, find and click Users right here. Here, you'll see all the users who currently have access to your Shopify store. On the user page, let's say click on Add Users. Enter the email address of the person you want to add right here. Make sure to use a valid email address, since Shopify will send them an invitation. After entering the email, click the Assign Role. You can choose from Administrator, App Developer, or etc. Let's say we will be assigning the admin role to this person. And right here, you'll see a permission summary showing what the admin can access, such as managing orders, products, and store settings. Admins have almost full access just below the store owner. Optional but recommended, enable the two-step authentication for better security. Once everything looks good, click on Save. Shopify will send an invitation to the email address you added here, and once accepted, the admin user will be added to your store. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.